YouTubers, it's I, Tina Quillen, your friendly neighborhood product tester, and I am here today because I got something in the mail. I have subscribed to Scentbird, and I got my very first package today, but I'm glad this came today. I am so glad because I've had a really rough morning. I was supposed to start my dental work for my lower plate today, and I go to the dentist, and everything's going pretty well, although I get really nervous when I have to have dental work done, and I'm just shaken to pieces. And he goes and he stabs me with the Novocaine. He ripped the side of my mouth. Yeah, honestly, he ripped the side of my mouth, the corner of my mouth. And he was just being not gentle at all. And when he stabs me with the Novocaine, it burned. And I asked him, I'm backing up, and I said, can you please just give me a minute? He says, no. And he stabs me again, and again, and again, and again. Man, I was about ready to just deck this guy. Well, he goes out of the room, and I'm texting Tim because they wouldn't let him back there with me. And all of a sudden, the dentist comes back in, and he says, it's time to put the phone up. Okay. So I lay the phone down, I sit back in the chair. Jalen, go on. Everybody say hello to Jalen.
Hi.
But I sat back down in the chair, and I have this thing where my two bottom teeth are loose. I have to have all of this worked on, taken out, and a plate made. Well, he goes jiggling my teeth around and goes to pull on one with his fingers. He says, can you feel that? And I said, yeah. Okay. So he waits a few more seconds, and he sticks his hand back in my mouth, no glove, and wiggles my tooth again. And it hurt. And he says, can you feel that? And I said, yes. And he got mad. He got mad. He said, well, I can't do this. I can't do this. So we're going to... So anyway, my phone is messing up again. But he ultimately referred me to another clinic. But I've had a really rough morning. And I get home, and the boys are supposed to... Y'all, my phone's going crazy. But anyway, I get home from the dentist, and the boys are gone, and the front door is not locked, and oh, I was just upset, just really upset.
But we locked it.
But anyway, this was in my mailbox, and now my phone is messing up, so it looks like it's just going to be one of those days. Anyway, let's see about Scentbird.
Can I open it? I get to open it, and I open stuff fast.
You're off camera.
Oh, yeah. They sent us a black thingy.
Ooh, a black thingy.
A card thingy.
2 card thingies. And that's it? Okay.
Crap.
So, it says, hello, beautiful. We are thrilled to welcome you to Scentbird. And then it shows you how to Use it to use, twist to spray, twist to close, just like lipstick.
My ear hurts.
To replace, twist, pull the old vial up to remove. Drop in a new scent, twist and spray. Okay.
It says spray like a pro.
Oh, and I have Versace.
Versace.
Beautiful crystal.
It's ugly.
Stop. It is not ugly. Came with a nice little pouch. Feels like crushed velvet. That's really cute.
I'm popping the
Oh, I
bubble
like
wrap.
this. I like that.
Can you spray it on me?
No.
Gosh dang it.
Oh, I see. Okay. Lipstick. I get it.
Don't spray it in your eye.
Well, I want to smell it first. Oh my God. Oh, this smells incredible.
Hey, I'm a boy and I still
Okay,
like
and
this
how do you remove it? Twist, pull the old vial up to remove, drop in a new scent. Oh, okay. Oh, hey. Hey, that's not bad. That's a pretty good size. Right? I like that.
I can smell it from in here.
Can you?
Yes.
I mean, which it wouldn't be a lot if it were a cheap perfume that, you know, you have to spray over and over again throughout the day. But I imagine with this being Versace, this will last quite a while without having to reapply. So this is supposed to be a month's worth, and I can see this lasting me longer than a month. If I wanted another scent, you can order up to 3 scents per month. This one, the 1 cent a month, was around $14, and you know, the prices go up as you go, you know, 2 cents, 3 cents, whatever. But yeah, I got the lowest priced one because I'm still a poor person and probably will be a poor person for the rest of my life. But I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Anyway, I will leave the link on the bottom, and I'm telling you, this smells amazing. So I'm really happy with Scentbird right now. So I guess in the future I'll let you know if I have any problems. But so far I'm liking this one. So anyway, I hope y'all are enjoying your Friday. Have a beautiful rest of your weekend. Don't forget Tina's Trinket Tuesdays. You've got until Monday around late afternoon to join in this week. And Monday evening we'll choose a new winner. Tuesday we post the winner, and it starts all over again. So y'all join in, win a lovely prize. So Tim just called while I was recording and shut my phone off again. Okay, I love you guys. Like, subscribe, get with me on Instagram. Win a lovely gift. We give it out every week. Every week. We give it out every week. Yes, I told you. I went to the dentist today. He couldn't numb my teeth, but he numbed my mouth. So, there you go. Anyway, I love you guys. Join us every week. Every day. I'm crazy. I know. Bye. Love you.